As we meet in this space to open and close each academic year, we do so in the spirit of gathering, the ritual coming together of our community. It is more than just a tradition, as it represents an intentional choice to assemble to demonstrate our care for each other and this place. The poet Wendell Berry once said, "Our sense of wholeness as people is not just the sense of completeness in ourselves, but is the sense also of belonging to others and to our place. It is an unconscious awareness of community, of having common." As a school, we bind ourselves in these moments to celebrate the joyful culture that defines us. As head of the upper school, I am very proud to welcome Mr. Bronk to a community and culture that you all have built, as it connects us and offers us wholeness. There is no better spokesperson for that vigorous community than your student government president, Joshua Dismukes. Josh, a member of the class of 2025, is not only a committed scholar and athlete, but an exemplary school citizen who models trust, respect, integrity, and above all, kindness. Please join me in welcoming Joshua Dismukes.
First of all, I'd like to thank Mr. Hughes for the nice introduction, and I'd also like to ask if we could give another round of applause for Madeline. She's a great leader in the middle school, and that speech was amazing. Good morning, everyone. I'm glad to see you all here today. My name is Josh Dismukes, and this year I have the privilege to serve as our student body president. You may all be wondering, what is Convocation? Well, Convocation's a new start. For some of us, today's our first day as a Hun School student, as a teacher, or a faculty member, and for most of us, our journey only continues. Overall, Convocation brings this community together to start off our school year. But this year is different. For the first time in 15 years, we have a new leader, a new head of school, and his name is Mr. Bronk. Can we all give a round of applause to Mr. Bronk for joining our community? Mr. Bronk, to welcome you to our campus today, we have a second gift for you, which is a pen and case inscribed with a quote from former trustee John Poe to former head of school Paul R. Cheesebro. The quote reads, "All great institutions are the result of a dream, and Hun is no exception. John Gale Hun had it, and I am proud I was able to share it with him and carry it on after his death. It is for all alumni, faculty, students, parents, and friends, as well as the trustees. And we have come far along the road, and our present program will still bring us further, but the end is not yet." Mr. Bronk, with this pen, we invite you to dream of what Hun can be in the future, and we thank you for joining our community. We're good, sorry. So, to my fellow students, Mr. Bronk is here to lead our school, and the only way he can lead a community by kindness is if he is also the recipient of kindness. I ask of all of you that when you see Mr. Bronk in the halls, shake hands and introduce yourself and welcome him into our community. Two of our core values are kindness and respect, and as students, we uphold these values. And today is a perfect opportunity to not only show Mr. Bronk, but all the new members of our community who we are as a school. When you see your new students and teachers in the hall today, I encourage you to say hello, to introduce yourself, and remember when you first came to Hun and how nervous you may have felt. And to all of our new classmates and members of our community, I can guarantee you that every teacher and student around you is happy to have you as a member of our community. Our school encourages learning and improving, not only in our classrooms, but in the arts, the athletics, and the extracurriculars. I encourage all of you today to take this day and have a new start. Choose something to focus and improve upon, engage in your classes, and make the most of your Hun School experience. Today's a new opportunity. Take this opportunity and improve upon yourself. Thank you, good luck to all of you, and have a great year.